Yeah, what's up guys? Today we're talking about something that's top secret. Yeah, we have these two models here, Pop Race top secret Toyota Supra, but it's the GT300 Supra. It is actually licensed by Toyota. And we have the Mini GT Toyota Supra Top Secret GT300 Gold Chrome from the Tokyo Auto Salon. Also licensed by Toyota, of course. Yeah, let's open the Mini GT version first. As you can see, it is still sealed. I'm opening it now just for this video for you guys. It actually would be pretty nice to have the BM Creations Supra also, but unfortunately I don't. So this is also the first time for me to see these cars. I haven't seen them before. Yeah, the Mini GT. Careful with this one. Yeah, this is a gold chrome finish. Kinda hard to film. I hope the focus is right. Yeah, as you can see here. I hope you don't see me. Actually, yeah, this car is like a mirror. Yeah, this car is actually like a mirror, so it is pretty hard to showcase. I don't know if this video will work. But yeah, if you see it. So we have the top secret GT300 here on the side. I mean, this gold chrome finish is pretty amazing. The massive wing here, the wide body on the Supra, pretty crazy, right? Rolling pretty good. The headlights, the rubberized mirrors, side mirrors, the rear lights also very good. Yeah, it is right hand drive here. It is actually crazy to film it. No, I'm gonna put this one aside. Let's check the top secret from Pop Race. Yeah, here we have the Supra from Pop Race, also metal or die cast. Side mirrors, but they are hard plastic, I think. Yeah, should be careful. The high wing, big exhaust, some details here on the interior. It has golden rims also. Rolling also pretty nice. Yeah, one wheel, or I don't know, one wheel is a bit off, I think. A bit wobbly. You can hear it. Yeah, also right hand drive. Then you have a massive license plate. I don't know, this is massive. Yeah, look how big this one is. I think it says top secret. Also, we also have a license plate in the back. And then yeah, we have the opening hood. The popular feature from Pop Race. But I'm not sure if that's the right engine. Yeah, it closes okay, I think. There's a gap here in the front. But yeah, it closes quite good. You also have some nice details here. The sticker here. The windshield is also kind of nice. And yeah, if you compare next to each other, they are, sorry, the focus was off. Yeah, I would say, yeah, they are the same size. And you also have the same decals on it. Here they are a bit different, but you have these, what's it, ORC? You have this here also in the gold, and also the top secret here in the front. Some decals here also. Yeah, there are some differences. But yeah, this one is way too shiny to film it. It's crazy. Yeah, what do you think? What's your opinion? Will you wait for the second version of this one? In regular gold and not in gold chrome? Or do you prefer the Pop Race version? I would say the size is nearly the same. It is very, very close. I would say it is the same. Same length, same height. Yeah, which one do you prefer? The Pop Race one also have a golden race cage on the inside. And the Mini GT one is black, the cage on the inside. Yeah, which one do you prefer? Do you have both models? I mean, this one is kind of hard to get and very expensive now. So yeah, let me know in the comments. And as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.